Hey guys, welcome back. I'm sitting down and this is my lunch. I'm having a pumpkin iced latte with no whipped cream and almond milk. I don't do regular milk anymore. I'm having a freaking pumpkin cream cheesecake. This is the worst lunch ever. This is so refreshing. That's so good and so healthy. So for today's video, I'm gonna be focusing on a very simple makeup look. This is the makeup look that I go for whenever I have Zoom meetings, having a video conference, if you're having multiple meetings. So this is for those kinds of days that you want to kind of look put together, but you don't want to do a full glam look, but you still want to look, presentable. You get up, people don't really see you, but I feel that you pretend that you're going to work, do your makeup the way you're gonna go to work. It gets your day started, it gets your routine started. I don't know, maybe this will inspire you to do your makeup for your next Zoom meeting. I sure hope so. So simple. All right, let's just get started. Before we get started though, just take a quick moment to subscribe down below and just give the video a like if you do like this kind of video. Comment down below if you have any tips or suggestions for your own Zoom makeup routine. Let's just get started, shall we? We're gonna keep it very simple. We just wanna look a little bit put together. This is the Physicians Formula Natural Defense Protect Your Prime Oil. So we're gonna try this out. You always wanna prime your face no matter if you're going outside of your house or anything. So you always just wanna add some sort of moisturizer to your skin. Ooh, this is so nice. Oh, it's very lightweight. It's not oily at all. It actually hydrates the skin really well. I didn't put on any moisturizer because I'm not gonna be heading out the door. So I think this is really nice. Hopefully it doesn't break me out. This is just literally the most chillest video, guys. I honestly just want to motivate you in any way I can to look decent for your damn meetings. So you could honestly skip foundation altogether. You don't need foundation or anything like that. You just want to look a little put together. But I'm gonna go in and just kind of even out my skin tone because I do have a bunch of redness and I have all these dark circles. So I'm just gonna go in with the Pretty Fresh Colourpop Tinted Moisturizer. Just gonna dot that in my usual areas. You don't, like I said, you don't have to even add anything on your face. You could just go in with some concealer, but I love me some tinted moisturizer or foundation, anything that can even out your skin tone in the most natural way possible. I'm gonna go in with this foundation brush from It for Ulta Cosmetics. And guys, you see how easy and simple your skin looks, evens out so quickly like that? And then that's all you kind of want. You don't want to come in going to your meetings just, looking like you just woke up. I mean, we all have those days. Alrighty. That looks flawless. It's such a nice little tinted moisturizer. It really just evens out your skin so naturally. I really love this. We're gonna go add just some concealer. I'm just gonna go in with this light concealer. This is the Age Rewind from Maybelline. This is honestly used to be my holy grail and I have stopped using this. And here you just want to conceal all your dark circles. You don't want your dark circles to show. I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealer brush ever at the moment. It's the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. And I'm just gonna go underneath that. And I am bringing that up to my lids as well, just to hide redness. You can see how quickly your face just brightens up. I'm gonna set that because I don't want creasing under my under eyes. I'm gonna use my holy grail powder, the Mercier. I love this stuff, you guys. I can never get enough of this powder. It is the best. Set that. Just don't like any creasing under my under eyes. And then for the rest of my face, I'm just gonna set it with the e.l.f. Sheer Tint Finishing Powder. I've been really loving this lately. It's very sheer. It looks super high-end and sleek. So silky and so smooth. And it just has the sheerest silky texture. So soft. Just gonna go in and set my face with that. It does provide a very light sheer tint coverage. I'm just gonna use blush. I am gonna skip contour. So I'm just gonna use the matte Springsheen blush. This used to be way back in the day. It gives you a nice little flush moment. Man, this is such a pretty blush. How did I forget about this? And that's it, that's all I'm doing. This is so pretty. Springsheen. They have a subtle little beautiful gold glow. And I'm not gonna do highlight. I'm not doing any of that today. And then for brows, I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I am just gonna be doing this very natural. I'm just trying to fill in my brows, I don't know, on a natural point. I'm just doing soft little strokes. Oh my God, I love this brow pencil, you guys. I really missed this freaking brow pencil. So nice. Does your eyebrows so quickly. Brows are done. I do want to add a little tiny subtle wing just to give you some sort of like you have makeup on. You're creating an illusion like you have a full wing, but you don't. And so I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid eyeliner. This has been my favorite drugstore eyeliner ever. Stick here to the outer corners and just bring it halfway in, and that's all I'm doing. And then I'm just gonna mascara it up. I've been loving this mascara lately, you guys. This Monsieur big mascara from Lancome. Oh my goodness. This mascara, just watch and see. Let me eat my muffin first though. Boy, that cream cheese muffin is so good. All right, y'all ready for this miracle? There's no joke about this mascara. It's no wonder it's like #1 mascara, high end. I barely had to do anything and look how long they are. It's so nice. You see how big my lashes are? I can't believe this right now. They look literally like false lashes. I'm just gonna take a pencil brush. Like I'm taking any brown eyeshadow you have, any bronzer will work too. Let's do a bronzer. I'm gonna go in with the butter bronzer. And we're just gonna go underneath our under eyes, just so you can give some sort of little smokiness. I think this is all I'm doing, honestly. With the same bronzer, you could just take any fluffy brush that you have to give some dimension to the eye. You could just literally dust just a little bit of bronzer. You don't have to take another eyeshadow, nothing. Like literally just this one eyeshadow, and that's it. Just to give you a little bit of something. And then for lipstick, you want to add just a little bit of a tint, whatever you have. I don't do a lipstick. I was just going with this tinted lip treatment from Physicians Formula. This is the organic wear, and this is in the color Bury Me. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of this just to give a little tint to the lips. And this stays on all day. It's like a chapstick, but it has a little bit of a tint to it. It's very comfortable to wear. All right, guys, that completes this quick and easy Zoom meeting makeup look. I hope that you enjoyed the look. If you did, please don't forget to please give the video a like and subscribe down below. So I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.